Going on, guys? I was gonna clean some silver jewelry right now. Thought I'd make a video and show you guys a quick, easy way to clean some of your silver jewelry. If you have some for your wife, you're gonna take it to the jewelry store. I'm gonna show you all real quick.
This is how ugly his writing is.
I have a silver necklace. You can see the stamp, 925 Mexico, in Taxco. It's a town in the state of Guerrero, next to Mexico City. And, right there. That's the artist. Well, you can't really see it. You can't see nothing of it. But it's the artist's last name and the registered silversmith. So that's how they're able to tell who makes the items. You just track it that way. I mean, a lot of people don't know that. But that's how they're able to kind of track their stuff, which they can't do because they don't know where their items are. But this is a silver jewelry, silver necklace. What we're gonna do, all you need, some aluminum foil, some baking soda, and hot water, boiling water, boiling water. Everybody has this in their house. Everybody does. So what we do, you go ahead and throw some baking powder in her. And baking powder, if you think, man, I don't have any baking powder, where can I find that stuff? Just open the fridge, go to the back, and it's usually back there. Don't tell your wife, and then if she finds out, just get some more without her knowing. Now what we're gonna do is get some of this water, the boiling hot water. Throw it in here. Oh my gosh. Hot water in there. Let's go ahead. Gonna put it in. Can already see it eating already. Gonna give it a little shake. Got some ones on top. You can put the aluminum foil, the shiny part down here on top and the shiny part up here in the bottom. Underneath your jewelry, then right here, just put it on top. Careful, because it is hot, of course. Ow! So you just mix it around. Mix it around. What you want to do is two. You want to put it. You can even smell it. You can smell all the stuff coming off of it. Eat it up. Eat it up. Yeah. Eat it up.
Oh my god, that smells horrible.
It
smells horrible.
It does smell horrible.
So do not smell it.
See the water's getting a little bit more dirty? See the water's getting dirty?
And do not smell it. Please, it smells horrible.
Here we go. Alright, you know what, man? Let's go ahead and put a little bit more. Go ahead and put a little bit more.
I'll scoop it out.
No, Dad, I'll get it right now. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Keep on. Keep it on, keep it on. Let it kind of chill a little bit.
But I can see it at the very bottom.
You see all that coming off?
Yeah.
Don't that, please. You need a microfiber towel as well. Very, very good.
Why is it so hot right now?
Be careful that it's hot, dude. Alright, so then again, it's still in here. Go ahead and suck it out.
Whatever you do, do not
Put it on
touch
there.
it.
Do not touch it. That's right. Right, Joe? Do not touch it. And then, here, Joe, can you hold it, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can actually already touch the silver because it won't be hot.
Yeah, sort of hot. The second one.
Just clean it up, clean it up. We're watching Wreck-It Ralph in the background. My main man. Keep on cleaning it up. Keep on cleaning it up. go. Got all the lights open. Nice and shiny. You can put it in there a little bit longer, if you would like to. Keep it in the boiling water. In the foil, I took mine out a little bit early. It's okay. Still got the desired effect. Very nice and clean. If you want to see the before, kind of rewind the video a little bit, you'll check it out. But it's very, very nice. I'm going to clean it a little bit more. You have any questions, send me a message on coins, jewelry, how to clean them, silver, sterling silver. Thank you all so much. Have a great night.